Hey everyone. Alright, we're going to go to the Goldfields Environmental Education Center. All about elephants. Please do not feed the elephant statue. It will not eat.
Do not climb on it. I don't know how anyone will climb on it.
Probably from the tusks. You'll find some oak that'll try and climb on this thing.
It's a massive one.
It is very big. I think just to give you an idea, I'll have Lauren sort of stand there next to it.
Bigger than the one that we saw at.
I don't know, it sort of seems like the same size, eh? Yes, that thing was big, eh? Oh, that was such an experience. If you guys ever get a chance to come to Hazy View, please go and support them there at Elephant Whispers. We have to sign in or something?
Pardon?
Do we have to sign in?
Yeah, the visitors will visit. You just walk around.
This is... We've been here before, but...
Never gets old.
It doesn't, eh?
Come have a look here. Model of the coronary artery.
Coronary artery.
And this is a preserved heart.
This is an elephant heart. Put your hand there next to it, baby, just to show people the size of it. It is big.
And that's the brain. That's a very big brain.
It's the skull area. The brain. It's where the brain sits. Sure. Okay. You want to explain there?
So this is the gestation time, which is up to 22 months, which is a lot considering humans are 9 months. And you can see the size of it. I mean, that's big at 20 months.
That is actually big, yeah.
And then as you walk along, you can see.
There you can see the whole growth here from 5 months to 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, 20 months, and then yeah.
This is a year old.
3 years. I think you can actually stand up here.
No.
Yeah, you can walk up here and it will give you the size of your size comparison. Well, there's Lauren. There she next to a 3-year-old. Let me see if I can zoom that out a bit. 3-year-old elephant. And if she walks on, there's a 6-year-old elephant. Literally, that is big already. Look, it's got tusks. And then there's an adult elephant. I think the one we were at was bigger than this as well. And then you can get your average adult comparison with the kids and everything else. Sure. What it looks like inside. All this piece don't touch. The foot pad, it actually does have a pad underneath. We learned this at the, what's the name? An internal foot, which is all padding to handle the weight.
They are very, very heavy creatures. evidence of tamed elephants. 2000.
In the Indus Valley. Before Christ, sure, that's it's a long time ago. And there's 1750 to 1123 BC and 1464 BC. So they were still there, so they've been around for many years. Ecology. Sure guys, I would love to read all of this to you, but there is so much. There really is so much.
Here's the jaw sizes.
There's the 9-month size, and then the jaw sizes at 9 months, 1 year, 3.5 years, 7 years, 15 years.
And you can see what their teeth are.
How to age an elephant.
Which we did take a picture and teeth.
Yeah. Those things are so strong, that's why they can just break branches off of things. This goes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. 56 years. That is huge.
What is the 40-year-old one with bigger than 56?
But look at this size difference. I mean, this is...
I think I mixed them up.
It actually does look like it, eh? It looks like that one should be here.
Exactly.
Maybe like all things, as we get older, we shrink.
Like humans, they get shorter.
Current Tuskers.
This gives you where the different elephants come from in the world. And what they look like. Every single elephant in different countries are different.
Different countries. This is the elephants in the Kruger National Park, guys. Look at this. These are the boys in the Kruger and where they live. It's funny how we give them all names.
Okay, so this is the aggressive behavior between different elephants. Fights between elephants can be very aggressive, wounds can be fatal, and may become infected, often leading to death. This one definitely got demolished by another elephant in the fight.
Oh, look at this. All tusks is going through their quap. Oh, that's what's sad, really, but hey, let's just laugh. Yeah, and imagine it probably sounded like a gunshot. Elephant and man. Ivory trade, hunting, elephants throughout the ages. Yeah, we used these beautiful creatures for all kinds of things, didn't we? Very intelligent. And there's the reality of these things. Poaching. Anti-poaching. Not cool.
So this is Mafanyani. He lived from 1926 to 1983. He was most famous for the Magnificent Seven of the KNP, which is Kruger National Park. His Tonga name can be translated as an irritable one and referred to an elephant's disdain for and intolerance of man. He was only 327 centimeters at the shoulder. That's up. There was a large hole, 10 centimeters in diameter in his skull, which extended into his nasal cavity. He was able to breathe through this passage. So he lived. We're actually on our way to go there just now.
Okay. That's that's the hole they're talking about over there. You can see the hole there.
Died at 57 years old.
57, eh? Yeah.
And it wasn't seen very much in the wild, from a handful of people.
The tusks were very straight, eh? Stand there next to it. You can see an idea of the size of these things. I mean, look at this. It's huge.
My hand goes up to it. And then there's kangaroo. Wow. 1950 to 1985. 55 years old. Was shot. A lot of pain, shot by bullets. Suffered during a fall. Crocodile. It was Satara all the way down to the It's quite a long range.
Well, this is sort of like that then.
At the bottom of Kruger.
From 1930 to 1985, eh?
55. This is also a very big tusk. You can also actually make towels out of it.
Yeah. Undlulamiti. Undlulamiti, I think. Undlulamiti. All our African brothers there, please correct if you can. But yeah, also beautiful, eh? He died of natural causes.
Yeah. And he also lived up on the
In this area. Yeah. Mhlanguleni. Mhlanguleni.
Plus minus 55, also died of natural causes. Oh, he lived near Auckland.
Okay.
Auckland, Tuskers, and Satara. One in the middle. Also different size tusks. What we learned at elephant whiskers is their tusks actually change shape. It's the way they lash on trees. So some of them will lash more with their left hand side and some with their right. So that's how they get the different shapes. So if you come and have a look at this one over here, Mandleve, I can't tell which one they use the most.
Mandleve. I reckon that right one there, which means that's the right hand side, which means he's probably right-handed. Yes, a right-handed elephant. But I mean, if you look at the two...
A right-headed elephant.
Right-handed. If you look at this is so nice and good big.
This is the...
He lived from 37 to 93, sure. It's quite a possibility that I might have seen him at some point visiting the reserve. Although that's around Skukuza, so probably not. Sure. Beautiful, eh? Okay. Oh, they're such beautiful creatures, they really are. When they start chasing you, they're not so beautiful anymore, but died of old age. He lived long, eh? Shavu. This is Shavu. Just standing next to Shavu, baby. to give you guys an idea how big it is. It is ridiculously big.
Also used in Rastas, first archeries.
Yeah. Yeah. There's Shavu in all his full glory. He lived from 26 to 86. And he was, yeah, shit, look at this.
60 years old.
Shingweni, Pani. Oh, and here's the legendary Shingwetsi. The camp is named after this elephant.
56 years old.
Shingwetsi camp.
Determined there was a black.
And he lived at Shingwetsi.
Oh, shame he died the year I was born. It's a sign.
Shame. That's Shingwetsi elephant that's named after, or Shingwetsi camp that's named after the elephant Shingwetsi. Pawana, also beautiful. Pawana died in 1988.
Doesn't say when he was born.
Yeah, it doesn't look like they're sure when it was born.
He's not age.
He's from the open area, eh?
It's a child.
Yeah. Does. Yeah, it looks like you can see the indentations here. And next is Nzombo. Nzombo looks good. This looks like a big boy. I mean, look at him.
1948 to 1985, so he's 50 years old.
He's from the.
Oh, he died in a hail of bullets from the Russian AK-47 assault rifle.
Oh no, that is so sad.
Mozambique in 1985. Also the Mapani Shingwetsi area. That is just terrible. What is wrong with these people?
Here we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
You'll be very amazed.
Yeah, pop in here. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. To show you people what it looks like. That is still Shavu still. That is impressive. That's really impressive. Look at the size of those tusks. Yeah.
It's huge.
I can imagine how big that. Oh my word. That is a big boy. That is impressive. Alright, baby.
Moving on swiftly.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that about the elephants. It was very interesting for us. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time we release a video. Enjoy, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!